What's up guys, Dave with Fixin' for Fun. Behind me is today's project. We're obviously missing the motor. Guess what? I got it back from the shop today. So, we're going to put it in and get it fired up hopefully. So come on, let's get this going. Okay, so we're fighting trying to get this pump back in. It's pretty heavy with all the hoses on and stuff, so we have my mobile hooking point, and we're going to throw a ratchet strap around and try and pick up that pump a little bit and take some of the weight off of it. Then hopefully I'll be able to get it in. Hopefully. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, that was easier than I thought it'd be. Quick question, you guys know where the bolts are for this? Off the top of my head, I don't remember. This is where it's gonna get fun. Let's go see if I can find them. I'm going to show you guys something amazing. I found the bolts. Labeled, alternator, and starter. I'm going to go buy a lotto ticket. The fact that I found those is impressive. I took this apart December 8th, and it is May 26th. The fact that I didn't lose a little bag of bolts in that amount of time is nothing shy of a miracle. That is not what you want to happen. Okay. Okay, so it ran away. So that's good to know. So now I guess we can contemplate why. Oh yeah, running like a top. Alright, so as you guys heard, it's running like a top. The guy that rebuilt the motor, I contacted him after he ran away, and he came over the next day and pulled the governor apart. Something was in the wrong spot. I don't know why, I wasn't here for it, but it's all fixed now. So I saved you guys the agony putting the hood on, but other than that, she's ready to go. So I've got people coming next week to inspect it, and then we're going to start renting it. So anyways, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.